Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal. And today we are here at Elegant Itmos, which is located in Yelahanka North, Bangalore, a project developed by Elegant Builders and Developers. And today we'll be revealing the teaser of Elegant Itmos. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office of the project where you'll be getting all the information and details, and even you can check out the model flat as well. And now about the land parcel is just behind this marketing office itself. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project will be constructed on total 1.8 acres of land parcel. Let's start from the main entrance. So this will be the main entrance of the project. Once you enter, on the left hand side will be the commercial tower. Then the two residential tower of 2 basement ground plus 14 floors having 136 units in all with 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK premium residencies. Additionally, all the units will be fully Vastu compliant. Now let's talk about the location part, and the project is located opposite to GKVK campus in Yelahanka, North Bangalore. So you can connect to RMZ Galleria Mall in 10 minutes from the project. Philips Innovation Campus is 15 minutes away. Mall of Asia is 16 minutes from the project. Brigade Magnus Tech Park is 20 minutes from the project. Kampigura International Airport 30 minutes away. And Jakkur Metro Station is just 12 minutes away from the project. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities. Let me show you through this miniature. Here's the skating ring, half basketball court, badminton court. Ground floor contains the clubhouse with swimming pool as well. Rooftop amenities like of yoga deck, amphitheater, mini theater and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area. So the project is coming up with 3 and 3.5 BHK premium residencies, where 3 BHK is starting from 1512 to 1707 square feet. 3.5 BHK is 1843 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process, and currently the project is in pre-launch stage, but our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model unit as well. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. And in pre-launch, the families will be getting additional discount, the special price as well. So everyone, this was a teaser of Elegant Itmos located in Yelahanka North, Bangalore, a project developed by Elegant Builders and Developers.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.